Which of the following is the correct match? So they have given the categories gymnosperm, angiosperms, bryophytes and pteridophytes and the examples. So this is really a tough question. Considering the exam hall, when you're sitting in the exam hall and such a question comes, this is going to blow your mind because you will have to recollect all the names. So you have to revise the names again and again, maybe 100 times, so that everything is on your fingertips. And then only you will be able to attempt such questions calmly and quickly and correctly. So let's start off. The first option is gymnosperms. So Cedrus, yes. Pinus, yes. Sequoia, yes. All belongs to gymnosperms. So to help you, the question is designed in such a way that you will get through it in the first attempt. The first option gives you the right answer. So they are also trying to be kind to you and not trouble you with a lot of information. So if you focus on the question, you don't have to do that much amount of hard work and you will be able to get the right answer. The answer is option number one. So just to do the revision, okay, now that you have the answer, now we will sit and revise. And I don't mind revising this with you many times. I just made one video in which I discussed all the classes of pteridophytes. And in this video, again, I will do it. The main point is you also learn to do revisions as many times as possible, because be ready of the possibility that such questions might come. So if you are well prepared, you will get through it quickly. So hard work is the only smart work you can do. Okay. So first one, gymnosperms. I am not going to write all the names because this will get all messy. I will only use the initials. So G stands for gymnosperms, and I will write the examples the way it is given in the textbook in the same sequence. So imagine you are reading the paragraph on gymnosperms and start scanning it. The first example you will come across will be sequoia. And then next one is pinus. Pinus is also an example of mycorrhiza. Then next one is C for Cycus. Yes. Cycus is for another example in which the cyanobacteria inhabit in their coralloid roots. Then next example is again with C, and this is Cedrus. And there is one picture, one image of ginkgo plant. And so these are the 5 examples of gymnosperms. 5. So Cedrus and Pinus and Sequoia are asked in this question. Next one, angiosperms. In angiosperms, only 2 examples are given, Wolffia and Eucalyptus. So what is unique about Wolffia? This is the tiniest plant, flowering plant, and the range will be around 1 mm. That is the size, height of this plant. And the extreme end is eucalyptus. So eucalyptus is taller than sequoia. Sequoia, they are around 300 meters. Sorry, not meters, feet. Feet. And this one can go up to 350 feet. So they are taller than sequoia. So only 2 examples are given in angiosperms. Then third one is bryophyte. Bryophytes. So the first example is Merchantia. And next one is Funaria, then Sphagnum, and what else is given? Bryophytes, Rixia is one example, and Polytrichum. So in this case, see, Polytrichum is given. Polysiphonia, no. Polysiphonia is red algae. Sphagnum is, yes, it is one of the example of bryophyte. So peat moss comes from sphagnum. And the last category is pteridophytes. So the names, the first one is fern, then salvinia, and then rest of the examples are given in the along with their classes. So the first one is Psilopsida class, and the example is Psilotum, starting from alphabet P. And next one is Psilopsida, then second category is Lycopsida. So examples are Lycopodium, and another example is Selaginella. So this S is Salvinia, this is Selaginella. Then third one is Phenopsida, and the example is Equisetum. And the last category is uh, Pteriopsida, and the examples are Dryopteris, and then Teres, and Ediantum. So see, so many names you have to remember. But if don't go through all these names, start attempting. When you get such a question, start attempting with the options and then try to recollect all the names. So I just showed you that to help you and not make your life miserable, they design the question in such a way that the first option is the right answer. But don't assume that it will be the first option will be the right answer every time. Don't go by that assumption. This is just one case in which you are lucky. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and always do revision, please. Plant kingdom, animal kingdom. So all those chapters in which where the chapters which are loaded with examples, revise it almost every day if you want to come in the top layer, in the toppers list. So that's all about this question. Thank you very much for watching my video.